Hey guys, today I'll be doing a quick badge overlay install for my 2017 BRZ, and I'll do a dry and wet install. So here are some of the tools I'll be using, mostly just for cleaning: a rubbing alcohol, a microfiber glass towel, painter's tape, and a heavy duty cloth tape. In case you're wondering where to get these overlays, you can check the description below, and please stay tuned for a quick comparison review at the end of this install. So first, we're going to clean the badge thoroughly, making sure the edges are cleaned properly, and we're going to use the painter's tape to get rid of some of the lint from the microfiber towel, just in case. Once the badge is prepped, we are ready for the install. Just peel the backing, and what I do to get it dead center is I start on one side, but not too close to the edge. If you think it's not lined up properly, you may readjust it. Another tip is when I position the overlay, I don't press it right away. I make sure I check if it's all lined up. And once I get the right position, I start on the center going up, and from the center going down, making sure there are no bubbles. If you see creases starting to form over the edges, do not press them sideways. Make sure you press them outward to release the air out to avoid making a bad wrinkle. And in case you are installing it on a cold weather, make sure you use a heat gun or a hair dryer to lock the edges. And as for the heavy duty cloth tape, I'm using this to remove my wheel center caps. I'm not sure if this technique will work for you, but it works for me. Now we're going to do a wet install for the center caps. Same thing, clean and prep it for the install. Make sure you only use a water in a spray bottle. Do not use a soapy water. Once you wet the sticky side of the overlay and the install area, just lay the sticker and you may adjust it a lot easier to the right position. Once you find the right position, again start from the center going outward. Okay guys, so just a quick comparison between the common overlays that you can get online, that is the one on the left side, versus the FSC overlays, the one on the right side. I will be testing them by rubbing a microfiber towel on the stars, because that is the most common issue with this type of overlays, because when you wash your car, you dry it off with a towel, and most likely you will be drying the badge too. And most of the time, some small microfiber strands get stuck on the overlays, and over time, it starts to peel off. So just to be fair, I won't be cutting this video, although I will speed things up, so it won't take too much time. So there you have it guys. If you want to get a set of FSC overlays, I will put the link in the description below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.